Ethnic cuisines and flavors are becoming more mainstream than ever, especially recipes from India. This increased appetite for more authentic flavors and ingredients is what inspired me to create my take on traditional makhan murgh, also known as butter chicken. I deboned the chicken and separated the thigh meat out to make my roulade. I'll blend that in a food processor with egg, tandoori seasoning, and Anchor Chef's heavy cream. I chose the Chef's heavy cream specifically for its 36% fat content and acid stability, which will give me that creamy texture and flavor I desire. This isn't traditional, so I will sous vide and sear the chicken separately. Anchor Chef's heavy cream has the versatility I need for my ingredients, and with its 40% greater yield versus conventional thickened creams. I'm going to use it in my sauce to give it that taste and creaminess my customers love. This dish is my take on makhan murgh using Anchor Chef's heavy cream.